Hey everyone, this is Ryan from the Kilowatts. This week, I want to tell you about one of my favorite things, and that's camping in and on a Tesla. So, as you can see in the background here, I've got a rooftop tent, as well as a dream case and an inflatable mattress, and I want to tell you all about them. But first, let's jump down to the Pinnacles National Park, where me and my girlfriend camped on top of our Model Y last week. So one way to Kilowatt camp would actually be to sleep on top of the car. And this is actually my girlfriend's preferred way of Kilowatt camping. You get a little bit more space this way, and really the car can take this kind of load. And so what people don't realize is while the dynamic load for a roof rack that Tesla sells is about 165 pounds, the static load is greater than that. And I'll actually reach out to Tesla and try to get that number for you and list it down here. But we've had no problems. We're fairly small people. We've got sometimes a dog up here with us. But yeah, this has been very comfortable. Just keeps you kind of level off the ground, and it's really easy to set up very quickly. But what I actually prefer is down there, and I'll show you that next. So one of the better ways, or at least what I perceive as the better way, I prefer sleeping here in the car. For those of you that don't know, the air conditioning actually has a mode called camp mode, and it's designed for this kind of, hey, you look comfortable. It's designed for this kind of sleeping, and so you can actually fold the seats down in many of the Teslas. The Model 3 is pretty good for it. The Model Y is even better with this higher roof line. The S works pretty well, and the X, as long as you don't have the 6-seater model, all the seats should fold down, and you should be able to get a pretty comfortable space to sleep there. All right, we're back in the studio, and I want to tell you about all the options available to you when you're camping in your Tesla. So, as you can see, we're now on an air mattress. This is the 𝗕𝗶𝗴 𝗕𝗁𝗁, and it's the perfect size for camping in your Tesla. It's really comfortable, really quick to set up, and really small. Compared to the dream case that you saw us on earlier, this is only about $300 to $400, whereas the dream case runs about $1,000. And then finally, if you decide to sleep on top of the car, that'll cost about $1,000 plus the roof rack. And one last thing, we found that the front trunk, especially in the Model Y, is great for storing some of those camping necessities. We'll leave a link to some of our favorites below. So if you have any questions about any of these setups, please go ahead and leave them in the comments below. We'll be answering them as quickly as we can. As well as please subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it, and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.